madam. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Welcome to Smith & Sator and Rental. Can I help you, madam?
Yes, please. I would like to bus ticket to Delhi, please.
Okay, what date are you going, madam?
On May 4, 2024.
Okay, wait a moment. I will check it. Excuse me, madam. There will be a ferry bus at 8 a.m. from Kupang to Delhi on 4 May 2024 with the price 200,000 rupiah per bus. Would you like to book it, madam?
Yes, please.
How many tickets do you want, madam?
2 ticket, please.
Okay, madam. May I have your passenger identities, please?
The passenger name are Miss Septika and Mr. Satria.
Thank you. Let us spell the passenger identities. Your name are Miss Tika, Tango India Kilo Alpha, and Mr. Satria, Sierra Alpha, Tango Romeo Yankee Alpha. Is it right, madam?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. May I have your phone number, please?
My phone number 0821 4595 1138.
Thank you, madam. Let I confirm your reservation. The passenger name are Miss Tika and Mr. Satria, and you will go to Delhi on 4 May 2024 at 8 p.m. from Kupang to Delhi. And your phone number is 082145951138. Is it right, madam?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, would you like to pay by credit card or cash or transfer?
Credit card, please.
Okay, madam. The total payment are 400,000 rupiah. And may I have your credit card, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Can you input your bank account, please? Okay, madam. Before I issue your ticket, I will reconfirm your reservation. Your passenger name are Miss Tika and Mr. Satria, and you will go to Delhi on 4 May 2024, and you will go by ferry bus, and your phone number is 082145951188. This is right, madam?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, madam. Here is your ticket, and you will arrive at Polo 1 hour before departure. Anything else can I do for you?
No, thank you.
Okay, here is my identity card. If you need more ticket, you can contact me. Okay, thank you for your reservation and have a nice trip.